guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nyar Kolando and I am your favorite YouTuber. So today I'm going to be showing you how I take my hair from this to this, and I'm only going to be using simple products that I have around. So I'll just be using some water in a spray bottle. I have my Mikala leave-in conditioner. Then I have my Paris oil, and these are just used to seal in the moisture. So I'll show you everything, but before that, kindly make sure you are subscribed to my channel if you aren't subscribed yet. Also, do like this video, share with your friends and family members, and ultimately drop a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this style. So without wasting time, let's just get right into it. So first, I've already washed my hair. I didn't wash it with the shampoo. I just washed it with the conditioner because I had done all that process like 2 days ago. So I just remoisturized it, and I'll show you how my hair is right now. So this is how my hair is. So you can see all this. This is the condition of my hair right now. So I'm going to start. I'll not remove my hair from these twists because I know if I do remove them, my hair will just shrink back up, and that's what I don't want. So I'm just going to work with this as it is. I'm just looking for my hair tie. I don't know where I put it. A minute. So I'm back and I found my scrunchie. So this is what I'll just use to put all of these up. Then I'm going to start working on one section, guys. I don't know if I should start from the back, if you'll see it properly, but let me just start from the back today.
So the very
yeah.
first thing that I'm going to do on my hair is to thoroughly finger detangle it and remove all the knots and the kinks which we don't want, right? We want our hair to be free of all that. So after that, I'm going to apply my leave-in treatment to my already wet hair. This will kind of help nourish my hair further and add all that good moisture back to my hair. And after that, I'm also just going to thoroughly finger detangle, guys. For all this process, I'm not going to be using any comb. My fingers will act as the comb, so I'll feel everything in it, and I just love how my hair feels so soft and everything. So after the leave-in treatment, I'm going to go with my oil. This oil acts as a sealant, and this is what I'm going to use to kind of seal in all the moisture, to lock in all the moisture in my hair. I'm going to make sure that I coat all the strands of my hair from the roots up to the tips, up to the very tips of my hair. And after that, I'll go ahead, thoroughly finger detangle everything. Then from there, I'm going to start my process, which I hope you will enjoy. So the process starts by me parting my hair, and after parting the hair into smaller sections, I'm going to start by working 3 braids on my hair. I'm going to start with the 3 braids. I'm not going to twist immediately from the roots because I find that this helps the hair to kind of last in a little bit longer. So that's what I'm going to do. Then after braiding, maybe let's say an inch, I'm going to part the hair into two now. So that will kind of make it easy for me to work on the twist. Then I'll twist everything up to the very end.
Changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on.
I've now finished one twist, so I'm going to the next one, guys, and the process is just the same. I'll take in a small section of hair, then I'll separate it into 3 because I want to start by 3-strand braiding it from the roots so as to make it so secure. And I'll do this up to about an inch of length of my hair. Then I'll part it into 2 to make sure to braid it into now a twist, which I'll do up to the very tips of my hair. And when I reach the tips of my hair, I'm just going to kind of roll the twist on my fingers so as to make it more secure and to make it curl up even more, as you will see later.
Something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want.
I'm now at the tip, and this is what I meant by rolling it on my fingers. So this is what I'm just doing, and you will see how it really coils and makes the hair just a little bit more coily. And you can see the first one has already started to curl up and everything, and they're all looking so juicy, and I just love this. So this is what I'm going to continue doing all through my hair. And guys, I hope you are enjoying the video. If you are, kindly make sure you subscribe, give this video a like, and don't forget to comment in the comment section.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head.
So guys, this has been one of my go-to hairstyles, and I really love doing these mini twists, these small tiny mini twists on my hair. And I'll tell you the benefits just in a few, but these are some of the, like, most of the time this is what I have on my hair, and they really help me a lot. So for the benefits that I personally have experienced while using this style as a protective style is that it promotes hair growth. This is because when you have this protective hairstyle in, you will not be manipulating your hair. Like, there'll be little or less hair manipulation. This also leads to little or less breakage of the hair, and therefore your hair is protected from all the is protected from all the elements, and therefore this promotes healthy and quick hair growth, if that's right. So I think this really helps me. And also another benefit that I tend to find from this style is that my hairline doesn't recede. Like, it protects my hairstyle and my hairline, I mean, it protects my hairline. This is because there's little to no tension that is applied on my hairline, and because I'm braiding it by myself, I kind of tend to gauge the pressure or the tension that I apply on my hairline, and I try so very much not to touch the little baby hairs on my hairline, and this just protects my hairline, I mean. Also, another thing that I find that is beneficial from this hairstyle is that it's so very much easier for me to remoisturize my hair or my scalp, because as you can see, the hairs are not tucked away, not really tucked away so much, and the scalp is within reach. So it's easier for me to just remoisturize my hair and my scalp at any given time. And I think I really do enjoy this style, and I just love them. Something that I also like about these mini twists is that the more the hair stays in, or the more the hair starts maturing, it kind of becomes like dreadlocks, and there are some frizz, or I don't really not really frizz, but it just matures up really nicely, and they become so they become so attractive to look at. I don't really know the word to say, but I hope you are getting me. I'm not saying that it's bad when it's freshly done, but when I compare when it's freshly done and when it's kind of a week or two older, I think I prefer a week or two older, guys. It just looks so nice. And I think that's one of the things that I also tend to like about this hairstyle. So guys, this now is, I started my hair maybe, let's say, at around 6, not 6, I started my hair at midday, so it's now 7 p.m. and don't mind, that's my sister and my mom passing, so it's at night and I haven't finished, but this is the only section that is remaining and it's not a lot, so I'll just go ahead, continue with the whole process, then I'll come back and tell you everything about how I do about this hairstyle. I hope you are enjoying. Kindly make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Please subscribe, like this video, and don't forget to drop a comment in the comment section. Alright guys, I am now done. It's the following day and I've finished doing all the hair strands, and in total guys, you can't believe how many twists there are in this hair. I have 250 mini twists in this on this head. Like, I think it's a lot, but I just love it, and I love how it looks guys. And right about now I'm doing a 360 for you guys. This was so stressful, but I had to do it, and you can just see how full it looks and everything guys. And something that I really love about this installation of these mini twists that I did is that they came out they came out so, like, they were so clean, the parts were so clean, and I just used my fingers to part, but they came out so really clean and neat. You can just see all of that guys. I just love it. I can't wait for the time that they will mature up and just become so full and so yeah, so full guys. I just love this. I'm so in love with this. Tell me you love this in the comment section. Drop a comment. Let me know what you think about this hairstyle. So guys, that's everything about this video. I feel so pretty in this hairstyle. Let me know what you think. Anyways, thank you so very much for watching up to this point. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel if you aren't subscribed yet. Give me thumbs up guys, give this video a thumbs up, and make sure you share with your friends and family so that they may also learn a thing or two from this video. And guys, please don't forget to leave without subscribing, and I'll see you in my next video guys. Thank you so much. Bye.